Hi all of you. Today we are going to learn the universe and the earth part 1. Now first of all, the universe and the earth is the topic. So let us see about the universe. If you observe the picture, just now you have seen a picture. What is that? The universe. See which among them appear during the day. If you observe that, what can you find in the daytime? Nothing can be found by you. Which things appear during the night time? So most of them can be seen by you. What do we call these objects collectively? It may be called as the universe because there are several galaxies. Some of them are luminous. They are being lighting themselves, and some of them are in darkness. Some of them are depending upon the other things. So like this. So there are many celestial bodies, many unimaginable things are there. We cannot imagine what are there, how many of them are there. We cannot count them. So, and there are also various in sizes and shapes. So this seems to be galaxies and stars in the vast universe. Now in this lesson, we'll discuss about the universe and the solar system. The other things also there, environment, factors of pollution and disasters are also there. But so in this actually we'll go only for the origin of the universe and the origin of the solar system. The other things can be seen learn in the next class. So now let us see the universe. What is meant by universe? It is a vast space. Vast means very big. Space which contains unimaginable, which cannot be imagined, unimaginable elements are there. What are there? It is also including sun, planets, Milky Way galaxy. What is Milky Way galaxy? The galaxy in which the solar system is there is called as Milky Way, and all other galaxies, some constellations also there. So who knows about the universe? Nobody knows about the universe. How big is it? And the range of it is also infinite. So then what is meant by universe? How is it? How it is originated? First of all, about the word universe. It is originated from Latin language. Universe is the English term derived from universum is a Latin term. So what is the meaning of the universum? Means all matter and all space. The universe is about the universe. The universe is expanding 70 kilometers per every second. See here. So now let us see what studies about the universe. The science that studies about the universe is called astronomy. In English, the science which studies about the universe is astronomy. And in Russian language, it is called as cosmology. In English, astronomy. In Russian, it is cosmology. Scientific research in astronomy began with whom? With an Italian astronomer named as Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei invented an object called as telescope. With the help of this telescope, he looked into the sky and found many objects which he doesn't know prior to it. He saw many wonders which he doesn't know prior. So many astronomers also been searching about the universe after him by using the telescope which is introduced by Galileo. See, there is no consensus among the scientists on the origin of the universe. There is no common opinion among the scientists about the origin of the universe. Now, let us see about the origin of the universe. There are many theories about the origin of the universe. One among them is the Big Bang theory. Who proposed Big Bang theory? The right side person. Who is the right side person? So George Lemaitre. Lemaitre is the person who proposed Big Bang theory. Here he is speaking with some another important person. See, he is the other one. He is the Albert Einstein. Okay. See, Lemaitre believes that the present day universe began when it had began and expanding 13 billion years ago. How many years ago? 13 billion years ago. It is expanding from a tiny atom, a small atom, about 13.7 billion years ago. See how it was. It was just like a small ball in the beginning. You can observe here. So with infinite temperature and infinite density. Due to the infinite temperature density, as they are increasing in the atom, it causes exploding. It exploded and scattered into or shattered into the small pieces and scattered over the universe. See how they are exploding, you can see in this picture in different places. As a result of it, we can see several stars, galaxies, planets, satellites, and the celestial objects. Celestial objects means the objects in the space are called celestial objects. Okay, they are found in the universe. The expansion of the universe is occurring till today. Uh, it was started 13.7 billion years ago, and it is continuously, it have been expanding. It started 13.7 billion years ago, and it is being continued till now. See, from the, you can observe clearly in this picture, from the small tiny ball, it is increasing in size, and the objects also increasing. Just the matter became as galaxies and the different systems also there. According to the astronomers, how many galaxies are there in the universe? It is an estimation that 125 billion galaxies are there. Do you know the length of the galaxy? The length of the universe? The distance from one edge of the galaxy to the other is, so that the distance between from one edge to the another edge of the galaxy is nothing but 1,20,000 light years. What is meant by light year? The distance traveled by a light, by the light in a year is called light year. That means it can be explained in 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometers. The light moves at a velocity above 3 lakh kilometers per second. In such a way, it should travel 5.88 trillion miles per second and 9.46 trillion kilometers per year. Okay, trillion is nothing but 10 power 12. See here, if you observe here, it is the universe. There are number of stars just like dots. Some can be found and some of them cannot be identified. Can you count how many stars are there in the universe? It is very impossible for anyone. See here, it is a galaxy. What is the name of this galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. What is Milky Way? Milky Way is nothing but the galaxy in which the solar system is located. Now let us go to solar system, how it is originated. Our solar system is made up of the sun and the other 8 planets. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, from left to right, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Once upon a time, Pluto was also there, but now it was removed from the list of the planets, and as it was a dwarf planet. Many of the asteroids and satellites are bigger than Pluto, it was removed from the list of the planets. See, if you observe this, the solar system, the sun is the center of the solar system, Mercury is the smallest planet, the other planets also there. Earth is occupying third from the sun, and in the size it is occupying the fifth in size. See, what are the other things in the solar system? Satellites. Satellites means just like moon is a satellite, natural satellites, not artificial. As the moon to the sun, there are as moon to the earth, there are several satellites to the other planets. The two planets, Mercury and Venus, didn't have any satellites. Okay, there are also comets, Tokachukkalu. Asteroids means pieces of the, it seems to be the pieces of the planets. They are very small planets. They are between Mars and the Jupiter. And meteoroids, Ulkalu, Telugulo Ulkalu antam. Scientists estimated that our solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. Universe originated 13.7 billion years ago, whereas solar system was originated 4.6 billion years ago. Here you can see it. Okay. Here you can see the satellites, number of satellites. It's not exact, but it is a picture which is estimated. So nobody can say the exact number of satellites to the planet. The Earth is having only one satellite, the others are having different number of satellites, but Mercury and Venus are not having any satellites. Mars having 2, Jupiter 79, Saturn 82, Uranus 27 and Neptune 14. Which planet has the more number of satellites to it? Saturn. There are more than 150 confirmed moons, satellites also called as moons, in the solar system. So now let us see about the origin of the solar system. There are two theories about the origin of the solar system. Some of the important theories among them are geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. What is geocentric theory? According to this theory, the Earth is the center. All the other planets are revolving around the Earth. And the other one is heliocentric theory. According to it, the sun is the center of the solar system. Now let us come to the geocentric theory. Everything is orbiting around the Earth. It is geocentric theory. It was proposed by Egyptian astronomer named as Ptolemy. P silent, Ptolemy. According to his theory, Earth is at its center. The sun and the other celestial bodies are revolving around it. So Earth is in the center. It is called as geocentric theory. Now let us see about the heliocentric theory. Helium is the material which is largely or abundantly available on the sun. It is called helium. Heliocentric theory. Here this theory was proposed by a Polish astronomer. Polish means Poland astronomer named as Nicholas Copernicus. According to him, the sun is at its center. All the planets, satellites and other celestial bodies are revolving around the sun. Here you can see in the pictorial representation. According to its geocentric theory, the Earth is in the middle. According to heliocentric theory, the sun is in the middle. So Nicholas Copernicus proved the Earth revolved around the sun as the other planets revolving. Now let us see about the planets and satellites, how they are formed. Actually, they were formed according to the nebular hypothesis. What is meant by nebula? Nebula means a cloud of dust or a cloud of gases is called as nebula. See, from almost all the stars are formed from the nebula itself. So galaxies, everything, stars, from the beginning. In the beginning, actually, they are in the form of the dust particles. Due to the collision of the different types of dust and gases, see here, these planets, stars, planets and other satellites are forming. There are 8 planets. Among them, the Earth is one among them. See here, in the first picture, nebula. cloud of dust. Later on, collided and exploded. And in the third one, they are placed in the different areas. In the fourth one, they gradually cooled down, and in the fifth one, they became into the present day position. So, in such a way, the solar system was originated. The Earth is one among them. The Earth has the natural satellites. A satellite, one natural satellite. The name of it is Moon, which is orbiting around the Earth, and the Earth is revolving around the Sun. That means the Earth and Moon also revolving around the Sun. Okay, you can see clearly in this picture. The Moon's path. Moon's path orbit is called as path in which the Moon is revolving around the Earth is Moon's orbit. It is a fixed orbit, fixed path. See here, blue color path. It is the Earth's orbit. See, in the blue color path, the Earth revolves around the Sun, and in the pink color path, the Moon revolves around the Earth. So now let us see about the Earth. Earth is the planet in the solar system. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that is capable of supporting life as we know it. According to our knowledge, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system having life. It has the right temperature because it is neither too close to the sun nor too from it. It is not very near, not very farther. So it is in the perfect position. So the moderate temperature is there for growing the life on the surface. So that's why the Earth is supporting the life. See here about the astronomer. See here, who is an astronomer? Astronomer is a scientist who studies about the stars, planets, and the other natural objects or the celestial bodies in the space. So, what is meant by light year? Light year is the unit of distance, and it is the distance that light can travel in 1 year. What is the velocity of the light? 3 lakh kilometers per second. See here, what are there on the earth? So many living things survive on the earth. What do you observe in your surroundings? You can observe people, trees, animals, mountains, roads, buildings. They are living together. Okay, it is about the earth. Let us detailedly know about the earth and the other things in the part 2. Thank you. Thank you for watching.